Hello, my name is Gaurang Parmar. I'm a technical architect with the Slack's professional services team. Slack has launched a library of key accelerator apps, all with the intent of boosting productivity, improving quality, and user experience of Slack for the end users. The accelerator apps cater to multiple business use cases that have proven successful across enterprises, including request automation, event management, and sharing sensitive data. For today, I will focus on the Data Shield Bot Accelerator app. Before I begin, I would like to focus on a few key points related to the Data Shield Bot value drivers, what it solves, and the business outcomes to expect. Typically, organizations have information security policies in place that might prohibit communication of data that might seem sensitive but required for day to day operations or to complete mission critical tasks. A good example is, say, the system administrator team wanting to share system credentials between the team, or the R&D team wanting to share sensitive data. In such cases, typically the security teams have strong data privacy and regulatory policies in place to restrict such data exchange, and employees or users will typically try other methods that might seem even more compromising. Given these security challenges, the Data Shield bot provides a secure channel to share sensitive data between only the required users and encrypts the data so that only the required users can reveal and see the sensitive data in Slack. With using the Data Shield bot, you can securely share and manage sensitive data using Slack, track and audit all events related to sharing sensitive data using the Data Shield bot, and comply with your organization's information security policies using the advanced features built into the app.
The Data Shield bot provides several features that will enable you to securely communicate sensitive data with the highest standards in data privacy and security. First, it allows users to securely send messages so that only the intended recipient or group of recipients can reveal the message. It uses end-to-end symmetric encryption to encrypt all the messages as well. Second, it allows for centralized management of admins using the app home for the bot. Third, it enables admins to audit the history of all messages across multiple Slack workspaces where the Data Shield bot is deployed. Finally, it provides enhanced security features such as flexible data retention, data pattern matching, and key rotation. Now that we understand the value and features of the Data Shield bot, I'm going to jump into a live demo so that you can see it in action. So I'm currently logged in as Zoe Maxwell on the left hand side of the screen and logged in as another user, Harry Bone, on the right hand side of the screen. As Zoe, I'm currently on the app homepage for Data Shield bot and can initiate sending a secret message to a user or a group of users. Once submitted, the Data Shield bot will post the message in the channel, mention the sender and recipients in the channel along with the Show Secret button. Since the message was sent to Harry, Harry can now click on the Show Secret button and reveal the message. Next, I'm logged in as another user who is set up as a Data Shield admin. As an admin, you can view, add, or remove other admins for the Data Shield bot from the app homepage. You can also view every message sent, decrypted, or deleted using the Data Shield bot in a private channel and also reveal the secret messages if required. Finally, we'll cover some of the enhanced security features. First, you can prohibit sharing certain data using pattern matching. For example, the bot is currently configured to deny sharing any messages containing the text top secret. If the user tries to send a secret message containing that, it will deny the user from submitting the same. Second, the flexible data retention setting in the app allows you to specify a message expiration time for your secret messages sent using Data Shield bot. Any messages after the expiration time cannot be revealed. Both these settings can be customized during your app deployment. Finally, it is important to highlight that a Data Shield bot and other apps in our Accelerator app library do have some technical hosting and infrastructure requirements. It requires some time from our customers to establish the platform and runtime components and test to make sure that the apps are ready to be released in production. If you'd like to learn more about Slack's Accelerator app library, please reach out to your designated account partner. Thanks again and have a great day.